Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is cold. Temperature of the truck says 45. We're going racing, a little different location. We're going Tulsa today. So getting the trailer hooked up. Let's get out of here and hopefully it gets a little bit warmer. Okay, getting ready to pull out. I think big cars, they delayed the opening by an hour. Big car's supposed to be on the track about noon. It's about almost 11 now. But luckily only about 10-15 minutes away, so it won't take long to get there. Doing one class only today, no E, and I will enter the points out here. So we'll see how that goes. So anyway, with that, let's get down on the road. Let's get set up. Warm the car up, it's gonna take a while, but anyway, here we go. Okay, made it to track, and as you can see, it's 11:10, so it really does not take that long to get here. So anyway, let's get inside, pay the person at the gate, and let's find a spot. Like a pretty good sized crowd here already. So anyway, let's get in there. Okay, we're all warmed up, ready to go. Got my friends across the street, Robert, Randall's over there, chilling out. Got a new car. Anyway, already warmed up. We just have to get our qualifying session in and go from there. So with that, until then. Okay, first pass, not bad. It was definitely a lot quicker here than last weekend. It's 6:53, not bad. 140, 60 foot, so it's definitely a lot faster. It's great weather. You can see it is definitely sunny outside right now, so turned out to be a nice race day. So anyway, getting ready to go up to no E, and I think I'll throw the 360 camera on there just to show the practice round that we're doing and see how things go. So make sure everything, all the equipment wise, is working good and all that good stuff. So with that, here we go. Round 2 of qualifying comes up. Okay guys, a couple things. Like I said, it's only a no E today that we are running in. Did get my second time trial down. We'll post the picture of it in here. But as you can see, I only one off from the first pass. I had a 27 red on the first pass. The second pass I had a 60 something, and I think the biggest factor in that, I lowered my RPM down on the car, and it just doesn't leave as hard on lower RPM. So basically everything is off by 1. Not bad. So I think I'm gonna go back and put about 2,900 on it. I think the first pass I had like 3,000 or 3,100 or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, definitely gonna put more stall into it. Hopefully it will leave a little bit harder and better reaction. So dial in time, what I'm gonna put on it. I'm probably gonna go back and put a 54, that's actually in a 654 with a 9. So I'm contemplating between a 655 and a 54. As you can tell, it is much sunnier out there. So I'm going to have to evaluate that when I get up there. So either going to put a 54 or 55 on it and then call it good, cut a good light, and there we go. So anyway, with that, round 1 coming up with no E. Okay, round 1, foot brake, no E, how you want to call it. I'm going with the 55. We'll see what happens. What can I say? So here comes round 1 coming up.
And just like I said on the return road, my light was not good, just because I know Steve, he dialed a 58 or 68, ran a 66, so he's off 2 on that. And he had a 39 to my 82 light. So and the difference was 0.66, so he could have womped it several times instead of just running it out like that. So anyway, thankful I got a round win, but it wasn't a pretty win. So round 2, here we come. Okay, round 2 of no E, sticking with this 55 on it. I don't think it's going to run quicker than that for sure. Ran a 55.9 on the other one. I have to get better under action. It's only 0.82, so we're going to swing, see what happens, hopefully hit it. So anyway, with that, here comes round 2 coming up. I don't know if I'm going to need another burnout. Depends how long it takes them to get off the truck. Okay, on that, I should have backed up and did another burnout. That thing spun really, really hard. I'm kicking myself now. I didn't want to back up because I'm afraid the tire might grow too much of another burnout. So it is what it is. Like I said, hindsight, I should have just backed up and did another burnout, but oh well, live and learn. Okay, we are all loaded up, getting ready to pull it out of here. Yeah, second round again. So we're gonna have to get better. Definitely at the light. The light on that last one was a little bit better. Wasn't really good. Oh, Mr. Barker, he just whipped my butt on the light. So anyway, we'll keep doing our best in OE, but it is what it is. Can't remember when we race. Maybe here in a few weeks. I really don't know. I have to look at my schedule. I think it's in a few weeks. But anyway, if you like what you see, subscribe and go from there. So until the next time.